Do you want to know how I make Portugal's most iconic seafood dish? Rich, hearty, and packed with flavor in every bite. Let's make this cataplana together. Stay till the end for a few secrets to make your cataplana unforgettable. Cataplana. 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 500 grams of pork diced, half chouriço sausage, 200 milliliters of white wine, salt and pepper to taste, red pepper paste, massa de pimento, 500 grams of clams, 300 grams of shrimp, 100 milliliters of olive oil, fresh parsley. In a bowl, season the pork with salt, pepper, garlic, red pepper paste, and white wine. Mix well and let marinate for at least 4 hours. Heat half the olive oil in a large pan. Sear the pork until golden on all sides. Then add in the marinade and let it simmer. Remove from heat and set pork aside. In a cataplana or heavy pot, layer half the onion, the pork, the clams, the shrimp, remaining onion, sliced chorizo, and chopped parsley. Pour in the reserved sauce and remaining olive oil. Close the cataplana and cook over medium heat for about 20 minutes. Open, adjust seasoning, and sprinkle more parsley before serving. Serve hot straight from the cataplana. This dish is the most soulful combination of sea and land you'll ever taste. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know in your comments what you would like me to cook next. Faça e coma! When you slice onions in rings instead of dicing, they hold up better in slow steam cooking, like in a cataplana. Marinating the pork for several hours makes it incredibly tender and lets the spices soak in deeply. Searing the pork creates a delicious crust and locks in juices before steaming. Adding parsley in 2 stages in the layers and at the end gives the dish freshness without bitterness. Always tap the cataplana lid with a spoon before opening to release any pressure safety.